Is your Epson XP-4205 not printing? Don't panic. This common printer issue is usually easy to fix. In this video, we'll show you quick and simple solutions like clearing the print queue, fixing offline errors, reinstalling drivers, and more to get your printer working again fast. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Check 1. Is it the default printer? On Windows, go to Settings, Arrow, Printers and Scanners, and make sure the XP-4205 is set as default. On Mac, go to System Settings, Arrow, Printers and Scanners. Check 2. Clear the print queue. Sometimes a stuck job freezes everything. Open your printer queue, select all jobs and cancel them all, then try printing again. Check 3. Is it showing as offline? If you see the message, Printer is offline when trying to print with a wireless connection in Windows or on Mac, right-click the printer and select Use Printer Online or Turn off and on the printer. Check 4. Reinstall the driver. Uninstall the current Epson printer driver from your computer, then go to epson.com/support, search for XP-4205 and download the latest driver. A fresh install fixes most persistent printing issues. Last resort, factory reset. On the printer, go to Settings, Arrow, Restore Default Settings. This resets everything, including Wi-Fi. You'll need to set it up again from scratch, but it clears any deep software errors.
Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.